here I go. All is said, all is done. I'm not thinking about excusing myself. Now you're gone. Don't you cry, don't you miss. I never thought that it would end up this way. Is this love when you don't miss a thing? Is this love when you don't want to cling to someone who just leaves you like this and is gone away? Is this love when you don't cry a tear? Is this love when you freeze when she's near? Is this love when the end is too clear to be turned away? Is this love?
Heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. Tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew